Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Happy to see you people watching my videos. And those who have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel before you start watching the video. And press the bell icon and to get the notification you have to opt for all videos so that you will get the notification and you will get the latest updates. Now let's get into the video. So today's question is a open box is made of wood 3 centimeter thick. Its external length, breadth and height are 1.48 meter, 1.16 meter and 8.3 decimeter. Find the cost of painting the inner surface of rupees 50 per square meter. As I had mentioned you in the earlier video, the question asked was related to how much tarpaulin is required. So in that case, you had found the lateral surface area plus the area of the roof was considered. Now the question is how much, the question is find the cost of painting the wooden box. So whenever the question is asked like this, I had told you the 3 simple steps. So once again quickly I am recalling you people. So those who have not seen the 3 simple tips, you can just click on the iCard which I have provided to see the tips. And now we will have a quick recap of how you need to solve any type of word problem. First one is read the question. Second one is analyze them by visualizing or imagining the situation. And the third one is the application of the correct formula. You can apply the correct formula only if you read the question. So now let's do the first step here. I have already read, and in this what is mentioned here, you should start visualizing a wooden box now. And when you see the wooden box will be of certain thickness. So now the thickness of the wood is 3 centimeter. And they have given the length, breadth and height of the box. So for imagination, you can just not visualize in your mind. You can just draw the figure so that you will have a better clarity. So I am going to draw the figure here. So now the wooden block should be drawn. So now if this is a cuboidal shape, wood, it will be having of certain thickness, and they are saying that it's a open box. It's a open box. So we are not going to consider the top portion of it. Remaining here you have the thickness. There is thickness for each of the edges. So that is of 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is how you need to visualize them. So now this thickness is 3 centimeter. Okay, so now we will see what's the length, breadth and height. So now the length is here 1.48 meter. Length is equal to 1.48 meter and breadth is equal to 1.16 meter. 1.16 meter and height is 8.3 decimeter it is, and the thickness everywhere is 3 centimeter. Let's see the question. Okay, you got it? What we need to find? Yes, here the same way how we had done in the previous question. You have to find out the surface area, lateral surface area, and here also your top is not mentioned. So we have to consider the base. So you have to find out the lateral surface area plus the base. Okay. So now you have to find out the inner surface area. You need to actually paint it. So we will see, first write down the dimension of the inner curved surface area. So now length, when it comes to length, here you have 1.48 meter. So in this 1.48 meter, you have here 3 meter thickness and here you have 3 meter thickness. So now what you need to do is you need to subtract that to that 3 centimeters from both the sides. So it will be 1.48 in minus twice of 3 centimeter you need to subtract. But here it is in meter and here it is in centimeter. So we will convert both into centimeter. So 1.4 into 48 into 100 minus 6 centimeter. So that will be 148 minus 6, which is equal to 142 centimeter. Length is 142 centimeter. The same way you need to do for breadth. Breadth is equal to 1.16. So we will write it as 116 centimeter minus 2 into 3, which is equal to 112. Okay, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, so it is 110. So 110 centimeter. Next is the height. So when you see the height, you are going to subtract only that 3 centimeter thickness. Okay, so everywhere it is only the height we are going to consider, only the perpendicular distance we are going to consider. So we are going to consider the height as 8.3, which is equal to, it is in decimeters. So 8.3 into 10 will give you 83 centimeter. So it will be 83 minus 3, which is equal to 80 centimeter is the height. So now we will find out what is the cost of painting it. So now for finding out the cost of painting it, first write down the lateral surface area plus the area of base. Lateral surface area will be equal to 2 into L plus B into H plus area of the base, which is equal to L into B. So now substitute the values. Here it will be 2 into L is 142 and breadth is 110 and height is 80. And here it is 142 into 110. So now you can multiply all this. I'll quickly give you time for calculating it. I hope you all have got the answer. So now let's check. So here it will be 2 into 142 into 10 will be 252 into 80. So 142 into 110. 142 into 110 will be 15620. So now when you add here, totally you have to get, what you have to get here? You have to get 55940. Okay, and all these are in centimeter square. So now if you want to convert this into meter square, you need to divide it by 100 and 200. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 5.5940 meter square. And the next part of the question. So what's the next part of the question? Next part of the question is the cost of painting it is rupees 50 per meter square. So now we have converted it into meter. So now you have to find out the cost of painting this wooden box. So the cost of painting will be equal to, so here I will write the cost of painting will be equal to 5.5940 into rupees 50. So into rupees 50, I'll give you time 5 seconds I give. So quickly find out the answer. Yes, I hope you all have got the answer. So it is 279.7. So you require 279.7. 70. Okay children, this is how you have to solve this question. So the wooden box, it's a question related to wooden box where the length, breadth and height was given and the thickness also was given. You need to find out what's the cost of painting the inner surface of the box. So if you want to find the inner surface of the box, first you need to find out the length, breadth and the height by subtracting it with its thickness, and then you are going to find the cost of it. Okay children, this is how you have to do. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye children.